Sorry guys, I literally just pressed the M button, but I'm not posting that part, so yeah, it's not gonna work. Because I was trying to get it out of where I can like find stuff. I was trying to get out of this, and I accidentally pressed the end button. So, oh my god.
Okay, so we need the same amount of pineapple so they don't be fighting up there at that daycare.
So, oh my god. The one with the laptop is this girl. So she sleeps on the side, and then she sleeps on the side. Okay.
And then they have some drinks. So, hold up.
They bring their diaries to school, so let me just put them in their backpack.
And this is Anna's. Why won't it close? Where's my stylus? I need it right now.
So that side's hers.
Okay.
And
Okay, you mind waking the kids up? No, unless y'all wait up here. Yeah, we don't mind. Since I took a shower last night, I should be good. Oh, listen, I won't get dress coded for this. So,
yeah.
I won't get dress coded for this. Because the school made a new rule. All I need is some verification from my parents. Hey guys, can I please wear this? Why? Did the school say you could? Yeah, Mom. They took away those stupid rules. Are you sure? Are you positive? Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. I want to just see if it looks good on the mom right now.
Let me get rid of all of the boxes.
Okay. You can go. Thank you, Mom. Yeah.
I'll save one just in case one of them goes to sleep over in this roleplay. But yeah.
I'm so happy. Okay.
Okay, sis. What do you want to do? I don't know. But we have school tomorrow, so we should probably go to bed. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go downstairs to go tell Mom and sis good. Mom, Caleb, and Ellie. Mom, Dad, Caleb, and Ellie, good night.
Okay, I'm just gonna add this stupid water bottle first. Because I might start basketball, so yeah. Even though I kind of look like I would never start basketball, I actually do really want to, but Mom doesn't want me to do that. But she's also really supportive if I do want to. So.
Okay. Dad, Mom, good night. Love you.
Okay.
Love you. Do you want to kiss your brother and sister? There you go. Okay, good night, Mom. Good night.
Let's go. Guys, wake up. Come on, get your backpacks packed. Hold on. Okay. Y'all only need one backpack today, okay? Okay. Why isn't it working, guys? Okay, my backpack is the same size. Why isn't it working? Okay, that's super weird.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Jesus.
I'm gonna take all the lunches.
Let's get into bed.
And that's the only thing y'all are taking, right? Yeah. Yep. Alright.
The next morning. It's in the morning. Oh, it is. We should go check on We should go downstairs and go check on them and see if mom and dad are awake. No, I forgot to grab their stuff. Sorry.
Because, like, I do take care of them more since, like, mom and dad work late shifts and stuff.
Okay.
One of you guys hold this, and one of you guys hold that. Okay? Alright, let's go.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning. Good morning. I have to get your sister and brother up real quick. Can I go get them up real quick? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go take a shower, Mom. Okay. Ah. Oh my God. There we go. Okay. Kids, get up. Come on, Ellie. Come on. Okay, Mama's gonna get you dressed. And yes, we do have a garbage bag for the kitten. Okay, let's let the kitten rest. Doing this outfit? Yeah. Can you get Jackson up while I get her something to eat? Yep.
Is my volume turned up? I need to turn my volume up. Okay, once again, is anybody forgetting anything? No, Mom, we're not. Why are you so worried?
Okay.
I'm just asking, okay?
So I need to save time, so I'm gonna pause it. Okay, kids. Since now I packed your lunches, so you guys will share. Oh no, let me grab some silverware. I'm not gonna show that part because it's gonna take a little bit. Okay, kids. Now I just have to drive you kids to school. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to. Pretend they went to school because I don't want to like keep doing this. Like keep going places and keep going places. So yeah, pretend they're at school. Pretend I was taking the teenagers to school. Okay, so we're at school now. Where's the teacher?
Let's clean that up for you, shall we? Oh my God. Who did that? I don't know. It was somebody though.
Sorry guys, I gotta find the like teacher. Right here. Today we will be learning about bones. What do you see on the human bones body? I see a head. I see a collarbone. I see a leg. I see an arm. I don't care. I see and I don't care. I see eyes. Okay. 1 hour later. Oh, that's the bell.
Oh my God. She pretty much ignores everybody, even though the mean girl messes with her all the time. Hey, nudges her shoulder and everything. Hey.
If you need to go to the bathroom, go to the bathroom.
She always appreciates her trophies and stuff. It's really weird.
Why are people in there?
Next is the playground. We're going to
5 hours later. pretend she was already in here, guys, and I didn't have to move her.
I've ever had. Anyway.
Oh, there's the bell. Have a nice day, kids.
Still at recess, right?
Bye.
Oh man, only thing I have is some gum. I literally have nothing. That's better.
Well, thank you guys. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and bye, guys.
Yeah.
Peace.